So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel codesurfer, and I hope you guys are doing really well. So in last video we saw the shorthand operators and modulus. So in today's video we are gonna have a look on the increment and decrement operators, which are simply plus plus and minus minus operators. So what this operators does, so they just simply add and subtract one value from whichever variable you are using it. So for example, if you are using a, so it will a plus plus will add 1 to the a, and minus minus will subtract the 1 from a. Now let's see how it works. So if normally we are using it, it is a equals to a plus 1. So here if the value of a is 10, then what will it be? It will be 10 plus 1. So here we'll get 11 at the end. But if we are using this one, so it will simply just a plus plus. So it does a plus 1 and stores the value in a directly. So you don't have to do this thing. And it same goes with the a minus minus as well. You can use it both the way, that is plus plus a or a plus plus, and same goes with minus, that is known as decrement. But it doesn't make any big difference when you're using it like before printing statement, but when you're trying to use these statements at the time of printing, then it makes a big difference. So we'll see that thing in a code editor. So this thing that we are using is plus plus a is the prefix that we call, and a plus plus is the postfix, that is what we call them, these two different things. So let's quickly have a look on our code editor how this thing work. So we'll jump on the code editor now. So yeah, now we are on the code editor. So I've taken one value a here. Now we'll print out, see out the value here, that is a, and let's see what we are getting here. So the simple value that we are getting is 10. Now what if I do like a equals to a plus 1, as we saw there? It is giving us 11. That's pretty cool. Now let's comment this thing oops, and get to the new line and use our increment operator, that is a plus plus. I'm not storing it anywhere, just have a look, and boom, it will does it magic. So it is giving us 11. First we were writing a equals to a plus 1, but now it's just a plus plus and it's doing the same thing. Now let's try a minus minus here, and let's run the program. It is giving us 9. That's good. So what if we do this thing here? So instead of writing it here, we can print it directly here. Yeah, so I'm gonna do here plus plus a, and it should give me the value 11. Yeah, that's good. And what if we does the same plus plus a here? Does it make any difference? It doesn't make any difference. Now it will make a difference when we'll use this post increment or decrement operator at the time of printing. And what is such difference is it will print the same a that you have already assigned to it. It will not increment the value to it, because what it does at the time of printing, it is getting the value a at the first, that is 10 plus 1, but there is no other line where you can print the updated value. So to do that, so we'll need to make a new line, that is and L and C out the A again, and hopefully we can get our answer now, I guess. And yep, we got the 11 and first it was 10. and same thing works with the a minus minus. Let's have a look, and yeah, it's 10 and 9. So this is what the increment and decrement operators are. It might be not like looking very useful at this time, but when we're working with the loops, which are really useful things, at that time these things are really important, and it makes our work very much easier with using these loops and increment decrement operator. So we'll look at some of those inbuilt functions in next videos. So till that time, do subscribe to the channel and take care. See you guys in the next video. Bye bye.